I tell you what, via the gift of television, we can see what Syd sees through his eyes now.
Yes.
Syd, can you see us? Syd, over here. Syd. Over here, Syd. Can you see us? Over here. Yeah. Have you got us?
Yeah, well, it's just vague shadows, really, isn't it?
So, if you'd like to use your ears, Syd, we might get somewhere. Syd, true or false? When filming in Japan, Jeremy Beadle was mistaken for a type of giant toad and was locked in a zoological science lab for 14 minutes before being rescued by his film crew. True or false?
False.
It is false. But it can also be true. Well done.
Ulrika, you know Wolf off Gladiators? Is he a real wolf?
Do the question.
Well, I'll do the question, Ulrika. Ulrika, Marlon Brando's occupation on his passport is shepherd. True or false?
False.
False. I'm sorry, Ulrika, it's true.
See, I'm going to lose.
Well, no. I thought you were husky tonight. I'm surprised there isn't a sleigh behind you.
Can we carry on?
Just behave yourself.
I'm just showing you my tonsils.
Mark, here's your question. Lovely Mark, the team captain for Team A.
Can I just interrupt you there? Second, Vic?
Yes?
Mark, what do you put down on your passport?
50s throwback.
This joke really will not die, will it? This 50s throwback thing. Every time
what do you put down?
You two dressed up like a couple of extras from Oliver's and Victorian ponces, and you. Your
right,
haircut is the same as mine, Reeves.
Eh? I think not.
Mark, there's a lot of looseness
I
in
do
your...
not put ghee in my hair. Mark, here's your lovely question. Mark, Richard Branson was teased as a child because of his beard. True or false?
True.
What?
True.
No, it was false.
It was a false beard.
It was a false beard, yes.
Eddie, true or false? Cliff Richard is gay.
You can't ask him that. You can't say that.
Oh, I'll do another one. Sorry, Eddie. Eddie, true or false? O.J. Simpson is a murderer.
You can't say these questions. Ask him a proper one.
All right.
Ask him a proper question.
Here it comes. Eddie. Eddie, Jimmy Nail was the lead singer in Lindisfarne. True or false?
Oh, that is false.
It is false. He was not the singer lead in Lindisfarne. Well done, Eddie.
Leslie, here's your question. Oh, you are looking lovely tonight, Leslie. Leslie. I hope you get this one right, actually. Roseanne Barr broke a rabbit's neck when she put it in the washing machine because its feet were dirty. True or false?
False.
It's true!
True. No, it is. It's true.
Poor little rabbit.
Leslie, don't... Leslie, he's trying to prove to you that he's cute.
I'm cuter than you.
No, you're not.
I think you find out.
Who's cute, Ulrika?
I'm cuter than you.
Who's cute, Ulrika? Me or Jim?
Well, that's the end of the true or false round, which leads us to say, what are the scores, George Daw?
No, please. And Mark Lamarr's team have got 1 point, and Ulrika Jonsson's team, they've got 2 points.
Well done.